So if you have been stuck at low subscriber counts, maybe 50, 100 or even 300 subscribers, and you are tired of watching others blow up while your channel feels invisible, then this video is for you. In today's video, I'll be showing you a secret trick that can help you blow up your YouTube channel as soon as possible. This trick has helped me in the past, and I have seen a couple of YouTubers testify about this trick. So if you are new on this channel, my name is Charles Chinonso, and right here I talk about ways you can make money online, how-to tutorials, and also how to grow your YouTube channel. So if this is your first time on this channel, do well to like this video, drop a comment if you got value, and also subscribe to this channel. So you want to pay close attention to the very end so that you don't get to miss any step of the process. Now I'll be showing you how to use your channel URL into a powerful tool to convert clicks into subscribers faster than you think. This method does not require bots, like no shady stuff, just real strategy that works all year round. Now here's what you must know, guys. Getting subscribers on YouTube is all about clicks. Just like you work every day to promote your YouTube channel, to promote your videos, that same energy is required if you want to grow your subscribers. So it means getting people to subscribe to your YouTube channel requires extra effort. Now you see that tiny subscribe button you are seeing right there? It's usually invisible to viewers unless they deliberately decide to go to your channel homepage and subscribe by themselves. Like, it's always invisible. What if I show you how to make this subscribe button pop up automatically? I guess you're excited, right? Awesome. So let me go ahead and show you how to go about that. So first thing is, we need to go to our Bill's channel URL. So let me take you through the process step by step. Just follow along. So you'll be going to your YouTube studio. So once you go to your YouTube studio, on the left side you can see right here we have what we call customization. So click on customization, then what you look for right here is your channel handle or your channel URL. So once you have this, can you see this? Then you go ahead and copy it. That's your base link. If your channel is a brand new channel, you might not have this particular custom URL, and that's okay. You can use the default one that YouTube gave you. So now the next step is for you to turn that link that you just copied into an auto subscribe link. Turn it into an auto subscribe link. Here's where the magic happens, guys. To force that subscribe pop-up to happen on your channel, you need to go to your Chrome browser and search for this particular website. Just search for auto subscribe link generator. So once this load up, then you go ahead and paste that link that you just copied right here. Paste it right here, and then you proceed and click on generate. Can you see you have been given a new link right here? So this website actually helps us generate an auto subscribe link. So with this exact link, when people click on it, they will be prompted to subscribe to your YouTube channel. So now it's time for us to strategically use this link to drive subscribers to our channel. So I'll be showing you 3 methods you can go about that, 3 different ways you can go about using this link to drive subscribers to your channel. So the first method has to do with you placing this auto subscribe link on your channel info page. So now let's go back to our YouTube studio. Where we have the customization layout, where we left right now. So then scroll down to where you have add link. Can you see add link right here? So click on it, then go ahead and add a title right here. So just write a title. You can write subscribe for more, you can write join the community. So for me, I will just write kindly subscribe, and then go ahead and paste the auto subscribe link right here. Paste that link right here, then go ahead and publish it once you are done with this. So now whenever people visit your channel, that link is right there, like showing in their face, and once they click on the link, YouTube automatically prompts them to subscribe to your channel. Let me show you guys what I'm saying. So let me go to my channel homepage. All right, can you see I'm on my channel info page already? So I just clicked on the link. Can you see what it's showing? Are you sure you want to subscribe to Charles Chinonso? And I'll click on subscribe. So obviously I cannot subscribe to my own channel. That is why this is showing. So the thing is, sometimes this question does not even pop up, like it does not show at all. Once someone clicks on the link, they will automatically get subscribed to your channel. Like, that's how powerful this method is. Do you get, guys? So I believe you are getting value. You can't even deny the fact that you are getting value at this point. So just go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you are getting value. Like this video and drop a comment. Drop a comment so that other upcoming YouTubers will find this video. So have you dropped that comment? Awesome, awesome. So let's proceed. So that's the first way. So let me go ahead and show you guys the second thing you can do, or the second method you can do to attract subscribers using your auto subscribe link. So this one requires you making use of the comment section, the pinned comment in the comment section. This method is also very powerful, like very powerful, especially if you use it in every video that you post. So after you upload your video on YouTube, just go to the comment section and drop the auto subscribe link right there. Do you get the auto subscribe link you generated? Just drop it right there. So for me, I'll be using an existing video on my channel. So let me use this video for the example, so you get to see how it is done. This is the comment section. Then I'll paste this link right here. So over there, just ensure you write something catchy. You can write subscribe for more value content. Just write anything that will appeal to your audience. So once you post the comments, then go ahead and pin this comment. Pin it so that it will be on the top of your comment section once people go through your comments. So the thing about YouTube is that many viewers usually scroll through comment section first before staying long in a video. Like, they want to know if this video is valuable. Once they actually start a video right now, they'll go to the comment section to see what people are saying about that video. So that way your comment will be the first thing they see once your comment is pinned. Do you understand? So I believe you are getting value. So let's move ahead to the third method you can use to boost your subscribers using the auto subscribe method. So this method requires, or it involves you using the link in the video card section or the end screens. So now here's how you do it. When you are uploading your video, or if you have already uploaded that video, go to the edit button at the back end of your YouTube. When I say the back end, I mean go to your YouTube studio. So now come to where you have cards. Can you see? Come to where you have cards. So right here, you can add the auto subscribe link right here, or you can add a channel name. The way this works is that when people are watching your video, the subscribe button appears on the video, like it just pop up in their face. So let me just delete this link. I already used this link to do my own in the past, so let me just delete this link so I can just use the channel name this time around. So I'll be using the channel name this time. You can use a link and you can use a channel name, any of the two. So for me, I'll be using the channel name for now. So let's assume I want to promote this channel name, which says Funny TV Mister. So I'll search for the channel name. So, and I'll add it right here. So, and I'll go ahead and write a custom message right here, just like a teaser message. So write a message right here. So for me, I'll write, please subscribe. Write something that will appeal to your audience. This message is what they will see once it pop up, once the subscribe button pop up. You can write anything over there, anything that you wish. So once you are done with that, just choose a time that you want the pop-up to happen in your video. You can choose your time manually by coming here, or you can use the slide button. You can see this slide right here. So just move it to the particular time you want your subscribe button to pop up. So ensure you choose a time that is early so that it gets shown to more people. And once you are done with this, then you click on save right here. You click on save right here. So when people are engaged in your video, they get to see the button, they get to see your subscribe button right away. So now let me go ahead and check what we did. Let me show you guys what we did so you get to see how it works. So this is the video right here. Can you see? So let's play the video. I'll forward the video a bit to the point where I chose. So now I guess you can see this. Can you see how the subscribe button just showed up? Guys, this is just so crazy, so dope. This thing works like magic. Like, it works like magic. I've used it to grow my channel in the past, and I'll advise you to also try it to grow your channel very fast. So, and that's basically the 3 ways you can grow your channel using the auto subscribe feature. Like, that's what the feature actually does. That's what the auto subscribe link does for you. Every time someone clicks on your auto subscribe link, either on your channel page or in the comment section, or even with those cards you just set right now, you get to increase your chance of getting new subscribers. So now go ahead and use all these 3 consistently. Combine it with good content. Like, that's very important. Combine it with good content, and you'll see your subscriber count start climbing very fast. I believe that you actually enjoyed this tutorial. I believe that this method blew your mind. So if you actually enjoyed it, do it to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment. Just drop 1k subscribers soon. Drop that. If you believe that you'll be getting 1k subscribers soon, drop it after trying this method, because I'm assuring you that you'll get it very soon. So try this method right away and come back here and share your result with me. So I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.